Hello everyone and welcome back to Candle Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Rancilio Epoca espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a bit of work. We had to replace this panel, this one that you see right here. The panel unfortunately broke from these little pieces, and these pieces are the one that holds the entire panel itself, so we unfortunately had to replace that panel. The other panel, those little pins are still in good condition, even though there's a little heat on this side, but customer told us to replace that panel, so we did not replace it. That is the little crack that I was mentioning. So we only replaced the left panel of this machine, and we gave this machine a nice tune-up, replacing the gasket that is located right here on the group head, deep cleaning everything inside, deep cleaning the portafilter, descaling this machine, descaling the steamer, the hot water one, and the heat exchanger of this machine. So we really run a bunch of wire to the entire machine to make sure there's no descaler left. And yeah, right now the machine is ready to brew. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing it out. Hopefully I pick up the right grind settings of this machine. Otherwise we're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. As you can see, it's a little bit fast. I probably should have put a bit more coffee inside of it and tempered a bit harder. Even so, we still got a little good flow and a bit of crema coming out of the espresso machine. Even though we're using our test coffee and the coffee. Judging by the level of the water over here, I would say that I need to make this coffee a bit finer and temper a bit harder to get that perfect crema that we're all looking for. In the meantime, we did get a good shot. You can see the little crema on top of the espresso. The flow coming out of the shower screen is amazing. Nice steady stream coming out of the group head. Steam for this machine. Nice and pressure, nice good pressure coming out of the mirror. You can see it right here. Excellent steam, working perfectly. And hot water working amazing. So there you have it, Rancilio Epoca working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Mechanic Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.